Okay, night guards. Time for a little target practice. Hands on zappers. Now, show me what you got. Not bad, recruits. But let's scoot over to the Neanderthal exhibit. I smell smoke, and when there's smoke, there's fire. And when there's fire and Neanderthals together in the same place, that's so not a good thing. Let's go. Next stop, but keep your eyes open, everyone. These guys put the wow in wildlife, so be ready for anything. But I'm picking up something strange here. It sounds like a disco party gone wild in Dino Land. Trust me, disco and dinosaurs is not a good combo. Get over there and see if you can put out the lights. You're doing great, recruits. Oh no, our little monkey friend is making enemies with the terracotta warriors. Ready, battle stations? We are going in.
Wow.
，You're doing great. But we got a new problem. Dexter just woke up a sleeping nine-headed serpent. Let's see if we can track down that furry little menace before things get really crazy. Did I mention I hate snakes? All the exhibits under control. All we have to do now is find Dexter, and I think I know where he is. Zap us off. We don't want to spook him.
Yo. The end. 1-0. Yay.
Congratulations. You are now official night guards at the museum.